Hello everyone, I'm back here to show you the rest of my purchases I made at Vintage Shop. On my previous video I showed you some purchases from secondhand store or thrift shop, and now weeks and weeks ago I visited one of the antique shops in Lewisburg, Pennsylvania, and this is what I found. I don't know if I have time to take everything out of the bags because that will take too long, but I think at least a few of them I'll show you. I'll take them out of the bags. Wow, they really make sure it's stapled so well 3 times. Okay, I really love this trim right here. Look how beautiful. I think this is of really good quality. Gorgeous. When I saw this, I couldn't believe my eyes. I love it. Okay, so most of these items were like $3 and $4 a bag, and some of them were $1. This one comes, it says here 5 yards. I think this was probably $4 or $5, something like that. And so here's another one. This is a crochet trim. Yeah, I don't want to take everything out of the bags because that will take too long, and I'm not here to bore you. Okay, so here is this sheer one, 6.5 yards. Oh, 6 2/3. Okay, this was, I think this was $2 or $3. Okay, then this other one, which is really pretty also, and this was 4.5 yards. Like I said, probably $2 for those each. This was also probably $3, I would say. Yeah, everything, the price ranges were from $1 to $5, I think. This is 9 2/3 yard, and this is so gorgeous. Look how beautiful. It's a champagne shimmery lace. I use this on a project that I will be showing next week, and reason why I'm going to show it next week is because that project I sent to my friend Kathy, and I don't want to spoil the surprise, so I'll put the video up once I know she has received it. Okay, then this one is 6 yards. This is what it looks like, and this was probably $3 or so. And this other one, and oh, this is so pretty, very lovely. I just couldn't believe my eyes. This lady, I'll give you her name because I know there are people here in Pennsylvania who watch my videos, and you know, they could, you know, take a look at that shop and that booth in particular. Okay, so here's this other one, crochet. This, I think I have the business card here somewhere. I'll show you. This other one, the lady, the owner of this booth is Sue, and I asked her if she was going to bring more of this stuff, and she said she would. Look how beautiful that is. I love it. And this one too, just gorgeous. And these are the kinds of things that you come by just once in a blue moon, and once it's gone, it's gone. Yeah. And let's see, and this one, and this other one, And this one, which I used also on the same project for my friend, that I made for my friend Kathy. This is what it looks like. So pretty, so yummy, all this stuff. And this one too, which I used on that same project I just mentioned. And this is all from Sue. Oh, and here is the business card. I bought this from, yeah, I have a video of this place. It's among my videos. This is the name of the place, Silver Moon Antiques, and this is this stuff came from Sue, and her booth is MUL. Hi Sue, I'll be back soon. Okay. Also, in that same shop, I found this booth, and this whole bag. Let me just show you. All of this, including this basket, I mean, not bag, including this basket, everything in here was $4. I could not believe it. So anyway, let me just quickly show you. These are gathered trims, very pretty, and the beige and white. And there's one more, is very delicate. So this is one of the bags that was in this basket. Here's a bunch too. And this is what it looks like. There's one, and here's another one, gathered trim, eyelet trim in beige, and this other trim, and this one. This is so pretty. I've never seen this. I don't think I've seen this before. Okay, so all these goodies in here, and this other bag too. If I'm not mistaken, this was in that basket. I could be, I don't know. I think it did come in this basket. This trim, which is really, really pretty, silver with pearls and some sequins in silver. That's one trim, and here's another one. These could be used for, you know, other kinds of projects. Oh, I love these rhinestones. I didn't even see that before. Okay, these comes with these iridescent rhinestones. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Okay, then it's another piece of that, another piece, and this one, just pretty. It's a black trim with the tiniest of black sequins. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so this altogether is probably a yard in here. It's probably 3 yards altogether in this bag. And this tool, I don't know, there's probably a lot of yards in there. And this other lace trim, a bunch of yards in there. Sorry, I'm getting a little bit distracted because now the cat is in here. Everybody wants to be here now where I am. Okay, this is a satin ribbon. I can make roses with this. It's with wire, which is really nice. And this is oh, it's an organza ribbon, really pretty. And look how pretty this is. I love it. Yeah, and the basket. I even asked the lady, are you sure this lady is giving away the basket? And she said, yeah, she is. And I was like, okay, that was a very good find. Okay, so that's from another booth, like I said, in the same place, in what did I say it was? Like Silver Moon Antiques, yes. And also at the same, in the same place, there's another lady where I buy a lot of stuff from. Her name is Teresa. Hi, Teresa. She has beautiful, beautiful stuff too. This is from her booth. Found this color piece. It looks vintage. I better hurry. And this other piece, look how pretty this is. It looks really vintage. It looks tea-dyed. And these other trims. And these tatting, yeah, it's tatting. Look how delicate this is. How cute, cute, cute. Look how adorable. Take a look. I love it. Yeah, Teresa has fabulous stuff, and she's so organized, and she has the most beautiful handwriting. I'll give you, I think some of the stuff has her handwriting on it still. Yeah, like this, for example. This rickrack at her booth. Look at that color, so pretty. This was $3 yards for $1. Look how pretty her handwriting is. She is so organized. Her booths are always impeccable. And some of this trim, and she's a very nice lady. And these other trims, very pretty. I thought this was different. I'm not crazy about that color, but I do like the shape. I may use it for something. Another rickrack. And more tatting. Very fine and delicate. And another color of rickrack. Beautiful. And I'm trying to hurry because I don't want this video to be so long. And this one, and this peach satin. It looks vintage. It's so pretty. I can make flowers with this, or I could use it for other projects. Anyway, yeah, this is from Teresa's, and her booth is I can't read this. This is somebody else's handwriting. This T-U, I don't know if that's a U or a V. T-V-H or T-U-H. Well, anyway, if you visit that place, you won't be disappointed. Between Teresa and Sue, my goodness, you'll find amazing, amazing, beautiful things. Well, anyway, this is my purchase from that lovely, lovely place, which I love to visit as often as I can. But thank you for watching, and take care. Bye bye.